demographics of Wales include the numbers in population, place of birth, age, ethnicity, religion, and number of marriages. Population. The resident population of Wales in 2011 increased by 5% since 2001 to 3,063,456, of whom 1,504,228 are men and 1,559,228 women, according to the 2011 census results. Wales accounted for 4.8% of the UK population in 2011. The population in 1972 stood at 2.74 million and remained broadly static for the rest of the decade. However, in the early 1980s, the population fell due to net migration out of Wales. Since the 1980s, net migration has generally been positive and has contributed more to population growth than natural change. Place of birth. According to the 2011 census, 2.2 million of the usual residents were born in Wales, a reduction of 2% since 2001. In 2001, 590,000 of the population of Wales was born in England. By 2011, the proportion of English-born citizens of Wales had increased by 1% to 21%. In 2011, 27% of the total population of Wales were born outside Wales, and of these immigrants 636,000 were born in England. Below are the five largest foreign-born groups in Wales according to 2014 ONS estimates. Age. According to the 2011 census, some 563,000 of the population were aged 65 and over, an increase of 56,700 or 1% since 2001. As in 2001, 6% of the population in Wales were children under 5, an increase of 11,300. Source: 2011 census. Usual resident population by 5-year age group and sex. Local authorities in the United Kingdom accessed the 23rd of December 2012 ethnicity. According to the 2011 census, 2.2 million of usual residents of Wales were born there, 2% less than in 2001. The change can be attributed to both international and internal migration. In 2001, 590,000 of the population of Wales was born in England. In 2011, this had increased by 1%. Nearly 418,000 people identified themselves as Welsh in 2001. The 2001 and 2011 census estimated the following ethnic groups. Notes for table above. New category created for the 2011 census. In 2001, listed under the Chinese or other ethnic group heading. New category created for the 2011 census. Source: Census 2011 ethnic group. Unitary authorities in Wales accessed the 23rd of December 2012 religion. According to the 2011 census, there has been a 14% decrease since 2001, when 2.1 million stated their religion as Christian. It is the only group to have experienced a decrease in numbers between 2001 and 2011 despite population growth. The second largest response group for this question in 2011 was no religion. This increased from 538,000 of residents in 2001 to 983,000 in 2011, a larger rise than in any region of England. Based on pre-census 2011 sources, the largest single denomination of Wales is Calvinist Methodism, followed by the Church in Wales with 30% of the population, the Roman Catholic Church with 3% and the Congregationalist Union of Welsh Independents with 1% of the population. Language. The 2011 census collected information about English and Welsh language proficiency. In 2011, 2.9 million of residents, aged 3 and over, spoke English or Welsh. In a further 18,000 households, at least one adult spoke English or Welsh. In 22,000 households, no residents spoke either language. There were 562,000 residents, over age 3, proficient in at least speaking the Welsh language. This was a reduction of approximately 2% compared to 2001, though the method of analysis differed between the two censuses. There was also a 2% increase in those over 3 years of age who had no Welsh language skills. Source: 2011 Census, KS207WA. Welsh Language Skills, Unitary Authorities in Wales. Accessed the 23rd of December 2012. The most common main languages spoken in Wales according to the 2011 census are shown below. Marriage and civil partnership. In 2011, those who were married were still the largest marriage-civil partnership status group in Wales for residents aged 16 and over, though since 2001 this group has decreased by 37,000. In contrast, single people have increased by 190,000 in the 10-year period. Civil partnerships, which were given legal status in 2005, appear for the first time in the census results. The number of widows, widowers and surviving partners is 20,000 lower than in 2001. The final groups, relating to separation and divorce, legal dissolution of civil partnerships, have both seen an increase in both numerical and relative terms since 2001. Table key: single equals single, never married or registered a same-sex civil partnership. Divorced, legally dissolved equals divorced or formerly in a same-sex civil partnership which is now legally dissolved. Widowed, a surviving partner equals widowed, a surviving partner from a same-sex civil partnership. Separated equals separated. Civil partnership equals in a registered same-sex civil partnership. Source: 2011 Census, KS103EW. Marital and civil partnership status, Unitary Authorities in Wales. Accessed the 23rd of December 2012. Miscellaneous data. Population density, 143 people per square kilometre. Fertility rate, 1.90. In 2010, 58% of births were outside marriage in Wales. Currently, Wales and Scotland are the only countries of the United Kingdom where the majority of births are outside of marriage. Wales also had the highest death rate in 2005.